Exotica is a travel company that sells package tours worldwide, often marketed as luxury trips at discounted prices. On the positive side, many customers do receive their trips as advertised with flights, hotels, and guided tours bundled together. The platform is easy to book and the itineraries look appealing. The concerns come from customer service and reliability. Reviews highlight issues like last minute itinerary changes, downgraded hotels, hidden fees, and difficulty reaching support when problems arise. In Trustpilot, it shows a mix of glowing 5-star reviews and frustrated 1-star complaints, which suggests experiences vary widely. Some travelers call it a smooth, affordable option, while others describe it as stressful and poorly managed. Exotica is a legit travel company, it's not an outright scam, but it's a high risk choice. You may get a good deal, but you also risk unexpected changes and weak customer support. If you value peace of mind, booking through established travel agencies or directly with airlines and hotels may be safer.